Setting up Saint Jude with your JIRA board is simple, fast, and the first step toward transforming data into smarter decisions. After completing your initial registration on the Saint Jude platform, you will see this screen. Here, you can fill in your personal information and integrate with JIRA. Important: access to the platform will only be granted after completing the JIRA integration. In the first field, select JIRA. In the second field, specify whether the email you use for JIRA is the same one registered with Saint Jude. If it is the same, simply select Yes. The next step is to fill in your JIRA project URL. Open JIRA in your browser and copy the URL displayed at the top of the screen. In our example, the URL is stjude.atlassian.net. Then, simply paste this address into the URL field on the Saint Jude platform. Step 2. Generating your API key. In the top right corner of JIRA board, click on Account Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Security option. Then, navigate to API Tokens. Click on Manage API Tokens. At this point, JIRA will send a verification code to your email to confirm your identity. After verification, the token management screen will open. Click the Create API Token button. A window will appear for you to name the token and set its expiration date. Important: we recommend setting the expiration to 1 year. This ensures a longer active integration and reduces the need for maintenance in Saint Jude. Once the token is created, the platform will display the generated key. Click the icon to copy the token and paste this value into the corresponding field on the Saint Jude platform. And that's it. Within a few minutes, Saint Jude will start fetching information from your JIRA, providing you with clearer, more strategic, and highly efficient management. With this setup, you gain greater control over your projects, improve your decision-making, and boost both the profitability and quality of your company's deliveries.